Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the third component of Selenium WebDriver, that is Selenium Grade. So Selenium Grade is mainly used for parallel testing. It enables us to execute varied tests in multiple machines simultaneously. Now, Selenium Grade supports testing on multiple browsers and platforms. So it's like when you're trying to test a multiple test cases, so it's need to be tested in multiple browsers. Now, what this helps in? This helps in reduction in the time. So when you're doing two tests parallelly, then here what happens, the time taken to execute a test case reduces. Now, the ability to run tests on remote browser initiates it's useful to spread the load of testing across several machines and to run tests in browsers running on different platform or on operating system. So basically you can say this supports the load testing process, like this decrease the load of the testing process. So Selenium Grade mostly works for parallel testing. So when you're looking for a parallel testing thing, you use Selenium Grade. Now in Selenium Grade, you'll come across a term that is hub. So in Selenium Grade, hub is a computer, which is a central point where we can load our test intro. Hub also acts as a server, because of which it acts as a central point to control the network of test machine. The Selenium Grade has only one hub and it is the master of the network. So when a test with given desired capability is given to the hub searches for the nodes which matches the given configuration. Now the thing here is based on the desired capabilities, if like hub, you can say it's a server that's present in one system. So Selenium RC was a server provided by Selenium, and this hub is one that's provided by us or the users. So if you talk about a different system, they have one communication process that has to perform parallel testing. So hub that's present in our system itself. So using desired capabilities, we connect to those hub, and based on that, we get the output. Just like you see in this diagram, here the client sends a request to the hub, basically the hub that's present in our system. So it's like if you talk about Appium, it's one of the testing tools in that the Appium inspectors are basically these are, or you can say Appium server is the one that's installed in our system, and that helps to communicate to different browsers. So here the same story is client is the one that we are writing the code, and this talks to the hub, and based on that, it reacts to the different nodes, or you can say different operating system, and perform the test there. So in this case, the best thing about this hub is it helps us to do testing parallelly. So we can test multiple test cases at the same time. So that's the use of Selenium Grade, and with Selenium Grade comes into use when we are trying to perform parallel testing. That's all in this video. See you next video. Till then, bye-bye.